Ayan guys, good afternoon guys. Inuumpisa na yung setup natin guys. Ayan guys, nilalatag na yung sausage guys. Dahil nakuha na yung 50% na pamasahe guys. Nakuha na guys. Maaga yung Ronda guys. Nakagala na kagad si Ronda. Naglakad-lakad lang. Nasa lubong si tropa guys. Guys, yung isa namin tropa guys, uminom ng Cobra guys, napasarap yung tulog guys. Kaya early morning coming instead na morning afternoon na guys. Yan guys, oh. Napakaraming hotdog guys, tsaka sausage guys. Walang kamatayang lamb. Tsaka roast beef.
Pasaksak na guys. Sira yata guys.
B, pasaksak na.
Ano lang yan?
Ayan guys, kinakatok guys.
Tissue B.
Para sumindi.
Amo sa?
Tissue B?
Ang binabalik-balikan na roast beef.
Wala na, gamit ko na eh.
Kusinero na.
Engineer pa.
Taga Meralco siya pa.
Ako na mo, big.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Yan. Extra service daw. Part-time. Yan. Yan guys. Magaling yan. Yan guys. Oh. My friend. Yan, my friend. Oh. Look, my friend. You're so very fresh, my friend. Huh? Very, very, very fresh. My friend, you're very fresh, huh? Yes. You're very, very fresh, my friend. No, because you always drinking Gatorade. That's why your energy today is very full, energetic. Huh? That's why your daddy is very happy to you.
Wala mo, totoo. Wala mo, totoo.
Galing babayad mo sa akin yan. Kino-content ko na naman ako.
Sandal.
Ano kasi binu... Kapon nga, Friday. Ha? Wala. Baka deliver gulay eh.
Ano ba?
Ay! Sir, ba't namin tatago yung lemon? Grabe ka naman.
Baka tinago ng western sir.
Alam mo sila na yung nag-ooperate dito eh.